Chapter 5 Mohan the Potter. This is Mohan. He lives in Kuppam village. He is a potter. He uses clay to make pots, jugs, oil lamps, and clay cups. He uses a potter's wheel to shape the clay and make the pots. We store drinking water in a pot. It keeps the water cool in summer. We use clay cups to drink tea and lassi. We use oil lamps for light and for worship. Mohan has a bullock cart. He carries the things he makes to the city. He sells them and gets money. People like his pots and jugs very much. Culp, Cognitive Academic